course. I think the first few minutes we were okay. But yeah, this team, I said it also yesterday, has a lot of qualities. And this is World Cup level. Absolutely. Individually and collectively. A great team. Yeah, what else could I say? I'm very disappointed, of course, with the result. Also for the country, Indonesia, it's a deception, of course. But we need to learn from this situation. I think this is a very important learning moment, individually, as a coach, but also as a team. We need to learn from this situation. And what else can I say? I think that they deserve to win. We were unfortunate that the score isn't higher. But again, we have respect for Japan. A lot of qualities, automatisms. We started Japan very good, but individually they have a lot of quality, and as a team as well, they dominated the game, and that's the honest thing. Everybody saw the game, and we need to respect that, and we need to learn from this, and that's the most important thing. In October, the matches are already waiting. So we need to plan and take this defeat to the next match and learn from it and come better out of this situation. Yes, that was very unfortunate, and also that's not an excuse, but it's unfortunate that those players had an injury and that I had to change. I didn't expect this, but this is also a thing that's football. That unexpected changes you need to calculate, and unfortunately this evening it happened. The fourth round, like I said, we need to learn from this big defeat. We're very disappointed, of course, but we have to be prepared for the next the fourth round, and that's for me now the most important thing is to look back post match, learn from it, and look forward to the fourth round, who is our next opponent. Well, of course, every participant in the fourth round is very strong. You have Oman, you have Palestine, you have a lot of big countries who want to go to the World Cup like us. So it will be very interesting what teams or what countries we have in the fourth round.
Thank you. Hi.
Well, if they continue like this, many countries will have difficulties with them. I think that collectively and individually they have very skillful players, a lot of movement in the team, and I think that's the big key of the Japanese team, that they have a lot of movement. They know where to move at the right moment. They have a fantastic pressing game. So they're I think collectively they know what to do. They press very good, also in ball possession. They move the ball very quick. So that's very difficult to defend. And I think that this team is what I said, is World Cup level, and I think that a lot of countries will have a lot of difficulties to play Japan. Well, as I said, it's a learning moment. I think I said it before. The quality of the team is amazing. But now they see as well. They see that the level of the real, a real top team, a top country, that they need to improve as well. So I think that's a big learning moment. Although we are very disappointed about the result. I don't say crazy things if everybody saw the game and they just played a very tactical and very possession game. It was for me difficult to watch, but I think for the Japanese people, a pleasure to see how a country can play like this. And unfortunately, for my team, a big defeat. We're very disappointed, but we will work very hard for the fourth round.